Okay, devo up na.
Ito. Ito.
Very good. Wipe them out at Pinto.
Ba't di ko ma-hit?
Wipe them out. Good shit. Continue. Push it. I need more people here.
Wait, nandito ko
There
sa
are
ano.
less people here. So many people behind. Wipe Pinto
Ayun, ayun.
first. Wipe Pinto first, and then we're
Ayun,
gonna
ayun.
go at
Nice,
Pin 7.
nice.
We're going in Pin 7 in 3, 2, 1.
Ito.
Go. Pin 7 now.
Patay.
Cap squad. Try to capture. Wipe
Ito.
it, try to capture. I think
Okay, go.
capturing very good. And now
Kira ka di, Akip?
wiping out Pinto again. Going
wipe
back to
na namin
Pinto.
dito.
So many people
Bahala
on
kami.
Pin
Okay,
7.
nice.
Going back to Pinto in 3, 2, 1. Push it.
May dewa ako, ah.
Ito.
Okay, go.
Flash rates in 3, 2, 1. Release
Dewa ako.
everything. Release everything again. Don't tornado if it's
Ayun.
not cold. Don't tornado if it's not cold. Don't random tornado. If you're range DPS,
Ito na lang yung healer.
Sige, yan.
and shoot all the birds that you see.
I-hit ka lang.
Shoot all the birds that you see.
Okay lang.
Kill them before they land. Very good. Good wipe, guys. Good wipe. Good. Now clear all the stragglers and all range DPS stay here at Pin 2. So if you have the new tier 2 weapons, you should have like huge range. So if they fly down, you're gonna fight them out and kill them. So we're fighting around Pin 2 and just looking at
Good job.
where they go. Alright.
Putang ina, astral vision to. Kaya pala.
Savior lang talaga kulang natin.
Waiting for them
Dahil
to
sa
go down.
kanya.
They're not coming down.
Nasusustain na tayo.
Hindi na tayo nawawipe.
Hindi na tayo nawawipe.
Nabila tayo ulit.
Now,
Maya.
I think they're gonna fly up. Again, range DPS.
Okay lang sa akin.
Forward here on
Sige,
Pin 2, so
sige.
you have more range, so you can snipe them out. Exactly like WD did.
Malas
Let's
ng
learn
ano ko,
from
ng
that
box,
mistake,
nag-open
let's learn
ako.
from our loss,
Ako rin, puta.
and let's use that
Mga
to our
blue?
advantage.
Kulang pa ako ng
Hindi,
isang
yung
blue.
pouch.
See people now here.
Ah.
Grabe, parang
DPS,
yung ibang
snipe
piece,
them out.
ang hirap
You can
makuha
hit
yung
them while they
kung
are
anong gusto
flying.
mo.
If you are a bow user,
Tapos
you
nang
can fight
inopen
them,
ko yung
they will
specific
die.
na box na mayroon
They
ko.
will take fall damage.
Kasi yung...
Yan na.
Look, and we're gonna
Dito muna.
reach them in 3, 2, 1. Look at Pin 1.
Rip
Pin
tayo,
1.
rip tayo.
Devo up.
Break the fight to them.
Go.
If you have,
Wait lang.
towards the backline, make sure you're targeting
Okay, pumasok
well,
lang
make
ako,
sure
ha,
you're
pero
targeting
go
well.
lang.
May ano ako.
Push.
Change target lang ako later. Sige.
Get those kills.
Di pa si Kakuro.
Ayun, yun. Na-check.
Wipe them out. Good.
Okay.
Nice. Matay.
Good wipe. Now look at the
Yun.
Ito, may skull sa likod ah.
Very good.
Okay lang. Oh, shit. Sige lang.
Clear.
Follow skull.
Clear them out.
Nice.
Good shit.
Ayan. Ito.
Patay.
Nice.
Good. Ayan, let's just keep on doing that.
Nag-update na yung ano,
And
pero bag
make
pa rin yung
sure
kills.
We're not
Wag pa rin yung
being
kills.
Anong kills? Okay sa akin.
Yung ano. Okay.
Ah.
Sa akin,
Nawawala. Nag-zero naman.
Nag-zero din sa akin.
Hitler.
6-6 pa lang ako.
Let's wait for them.
Okay lang.
If we have stragglers, we kill them. Look at this guy. I think we can reach this
Kita
guy.
naman sa ano, sa
This is
kill
safe
feed
zone.
yung kills.
Abot mo to, Mati?
Yeah, again,
Abot
if
ko
you
ata yan.
remember, WD
Ay.
were posting up here, and they were able to reach us from the top.
Naka-safe zone pa
Ayun no,
rin.
nag-red.
What the-
As far as we know,
Ah,
Nag-red sa
safe
akin,
zone
nag-red.
siya.
to go from here.
Ay.
So this is
Hindi, may
really,
nagre-red oh.
hard fight if
Di
you
mo
use
maano?
the first-
Sa taas? Hindi ko abot
Oh,
sa taas.
may nagre-red sa akin.
Pero yung...
Try ko nga i-hook. Wait.
Sige nga.
So I
Hindi,
think
hindi
we
Ellie?
need to
Nasa
keep
taas?
things more
Oh, oh.
interesting, not being
Oh,
completely
Ellie.
Oh,
boring.
yung
They
Ellie.
want us to practice,
Running nasa
so
ano.
we're gonna
Nipple
do a
nyo.
big drill in a while.
Wala, di abot
They're
ng
not
ano.
gonna push.
Ellie, I
And
love
let's
you.
try to practice being surprised, okay?
Hopo yan.
We're doing
Lord
a big
nyo.
drill, so we're running
Patay
around,
yun.
and then let's try
Ayun,
being
yun.
surprised.
Sino yun?
So,
Marco
let's
Bielo?
react
Abot
to them
niyo?
accordingly.
Ayun.
So,
Liberator eh.
risky, but
Ah.
Liberator.
I think we're
Tama.
strong enough
May
to
ano pala.
have to take that risk and at least
Billender
learn
stock
more, okay,
yan.
in a pressure situation. So let's wait for their next push if they're
Sana
gonna
all.
push. Okay, they're
Ayun,
pushing,
yan,
they're
yan,
pushing.
ready.
Look at pin 1. They're gonna try and drop at pin 1. If you're range DPS,
Ready,
try to
ready.
snipe them now. Pushing in 3,
Devo up.
2, 1,
Go.
flash wave in the club,
Go,
flash wave
Mati,
in the
go, Mati.
club. Go inside. They're posting up behind.
Skull guys, skull.
Yes, skull.
Make sure you push out
Skull.
those pigeons. Very good, man. Very
Diba?
good boy, Waki.
Skull.
Very good, Xiaoming. You're doing pretty well. Go
Sige,
inside.
sige.
Very good.
Second
Shindo.
flash
Kaya lang, para hindi hindi nyo ma-heal makakasama niya.
Ah, sige. Okay lang.
Ayan,
Ayan.
patay.
Sige, mag-pull ako Wait lang.
Very good.
Chain ako. Yun.
Heal.
Wala.
No stragglers.
Na-resist.
Kill them them all, kill them all, kill them all. Good, 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 good,
Ito.
good.
Isa pa.
Some
Ito.
stragglers left, make sure to wipe them out. Very good, restricted.
Ay,
Nice
wala.
spear. Kill this guy. Alright. Can you snipe
Ito.
this guy? Any range? Snipe, snipe, snipe.
Wait.
Boom.
Yun.
Nice one.
What we're doing is we're gonna do a pin push. This is gonna be risky, but I want people to go now at pin 2. Everyone at pin 2. Listen and check. Everyone at pin 2.
Into?
It's gonna be
Pin
risky,
two, asan
but we're
yung
gonna
pin two?
react. If we're
Dito?
strong, we should be able to win this. Everyone, pin 2.
Oh, dito.
Do it.
Ano
Who's
daw
this?
gagawin?
Antonelico. No, pin 2. Everyone, listening check. Listening check. Come on, come on. Pin 2, pin 2, pin 2. We're gonna practice. Come here, Persona. Come. We're practicing. We're
Pin two.
practicing. We should
Ah,
be able to react to them.
practice.
Okay? Pin 2, we're running in pin 4, in 3,
Yes,
2, 1,
nagbabag
run at pin
yung
4,
sa
pin 4,
Discord
pin
ko
4,
sa
pin 4,
browser.
pin 4, let's keep things interesting. Pin 4, now we're going to pin 7, in 3,
Ay, wait
2,
lang.
1, pin
Puta,
7,
patay
pin
ako ng
7,
Discord ko.
pin 7, pin 7,
Pin
and
7,
we're
Makoy,
going to
pin
pin
7.
3, in
Pin
3,
7.
2, 1,
Pin 3,
run to
pin
pin 3, run to
Pin
pin
3,
3,
Makoy.
pin
Hindi na ako.
3, pin
Tinitingnan
3,
yung
and
tail.
pin 6,
tail.
in 3,
Pin
2,
6.
1, 3, 2, 1,
Pin 6, pin
go at
6.
pin 6, go at pin 6, I want melees. Dash in on pin 2, dash in on pin 2,
Dash in on pin 2 daw.
dash in.
Ako isa man. Dito na yun.
In 3, 2, 1, flash wave, flash wave, flash
Ay,
wave.
puta.
Double
Ina.
save.
Good. I want
Ginawa
only
yata
one
tayong
flash
baliw
wave.
nito.
Only one ball.
Idol!
Okay, let's make this
Ay,
interesting.
naka-record
I know
to.
we're practicing, we're
Ah,
practicing.
okay na. Nakabot na si Jinryo.
Si Hoyon.
Uy,
Plus
yun.
you.
Sino yun?
See you,
Sino
fly
yun?
you.
Is
Very
it
good
you?
positioning,
Is it you? Or is it
See
me?
you.
Again, if you're HDPS, snipe them out. Snipe them out.
Gege color, I
If we're
love
gonna
it.
push and we wipe them, we're gonna
Pampagising
do
ba?
pin drill again.
Yun,
If they're gonna
nakaskal
catch
pa,
us
Matthew.
off guard, then
May nakaskal.
that's our fault.
Unleash
So
ka, lo.
let's try to put
Galing.
ourselves in a hard situation. 'Cause
Number
if
5.
we're just gonna fight them
Skull
out,
hotkey.
you know we're overwhelming
Yun na red,
them.
oh,
So
red.
let's try to make this interesting. But let's wait
Sayang,
for
di
them.
abot ng ano. Ay, puta, na-press ko
Pushing,
yung
I
skill.
think.
Wala, hindi ako makaakyat.
The average is
Di
killing
abot
them.
ng
Safe
hook
zone.
ko.
Bro, let them push, bro. Don't scare them, bro. Bro.
Parliament to, di ba? I mean,
Rest
Ah.
Atlantis.
Good positioning, oh, John.
kaalay, hindi ba?
Oh, alay sila. Oh, rest
Like that
alliance.
tower guy,
Oo.
bro.
Leviathan,
Yeah, I
Parliament.
think they're urging.
Ewan kung ano yung other two
This is such
nila.
a pain to RG in this ripstone. I feel bad for them.
Hindi ako
I
makaakyat.
think they're gonna push in a bit. 23's dying.
Marami ba
bro.
sila? I
Oh
think.
my.
Kailang no numbers nila.
50
Unti
plus
lang
lang,
ata.
bro.
Just looking at the show right now, guys. Okay, they're
Ah,
May
Tayo.
panalo, may
Nila.
panalo.
They're going around pin 6. They're going
Ito na,
around
ito
pin
na.
6 and we're in
Dito
deep.
tayo.
Three,
Dito
two,
muna sa
one,
forma na, wait lang.
Levels up.
Level up, level up.
Push in, push in,
Level up
boss
na.
deep, push
Flash
in,
wave.
push in, push in, push in,
Go na,
push
go
in.
na.
Good fear.
Wait lang, sa likod, madami. May smoke ako dito.
Sige, dito
Hello.
ako.
Dito, dito,
Baba
dito
kay
yung
Kuro.
inano ko.
Ako, I can smoke
Okay, go,
screen.
go, go, go.
Yung-
Noelia, Noelia. Wala, wala.
Looking at the stone. They're trying
Ito, ito, ito.
Good, good.
Okay,
Wipe
go,
them
go,
out,
go.
wipe them
Na-isolate
out.
sa likod.
Ay.
Wipe them.
Ayun, ayun.
A bit of numbers
Inek.
popping
Ice.
up here on pin 2. Pin 2
Uy,
on them. Pin 2 on them. Big
M,
pair of
M, M,
mark here on
M.
pin 2.
Circle ako.
Very good, very good. I
Ito.
see people collapsing on pin 2.
Okay,
Good
go.
Ito,
shit.
yung nasa likod,
Wipe
spellblade.
them out, kill all
Patayin.
the stragglers, nobody
Ayun.
left behind.
Ito.
Good, good, good,
Forward
good,
sa pin
good, 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 good.
Ay, di na.
Alright. Now we RG fast. Now we RG fast. Go at pin 1, pin 1, pin 1.
Ayun,
This is a pin
lumabas
drill,
na
pin
kills,
drill, pin 1,
3 kills.
pin
Pin
1.
one,
No
pin
one
one.
left behind. Siya pin, Kuching, Bato, Rabs, come. Or they're gonna keep it. It's okay, it's okay. Come. Pin 1, RG fast.
Bakit
Everyone
BB
full
out yung
health.
mga kasama
And we're
natin?
going on pin 8 in 3,
Ah,
2,
nag-aabang
1,
dun,
run to pin
sumasabay
8, run to
sila.
Pin 8, pin 8, pin 8. Good listening, Tokatsu. Good listening, LV. Pin 8, camping out, and we're running to pin 4 in 3, 2, 1, running to pin 4, running to pin 4.
Ano ata
No
sila,
one should be
Flex?
left behind. Magis,
Oo,
you're gonna
Flex.
die if you're gonna move like that. Pin 4,
Magit. Master Magit.
you're the best. Pin 7 in 3, 2, 1, running to pin 7. Pin 7, and we're gonna go to
Ay,
pin
may
2
server,
in
no?
5,
Meron, meron.
Meron,
3,
meron.
2, 1, running to pin 2, running to pin 2. Or they're
Angas
defending,
nung ano nun, no?
Oh, what the fuck? Only
Kita
one,
niyo?
only one. Let him be, let
Flash
him be.
wave.
Fuck him. Let him be. And kill him
Ayun,
out,
ayun,
kill
isa.
him, kill him,
Ayun,
kill
ayun.
him, kill him, kill him, kill him. I think he fell. Unfortunate. Okay, let's
Ito,
keep on
si
moving.
L.
If you can snipe, good, Kibalakan.
Cool
Good,
down
good.
hook ko.
Snipe that
Patin
guy
mo lang.
first. Let's keep on moving to make this a challenge for us.
Puta.
Alright, we're going to pin 5 now. Pin 5 in 3, 2, 1. Go to pin 5. I want everyone to morph. I don't want to see a character
Dapat
walking.
may ano
Everyone
dito,
should be
no?
morphing.
Yung thing.
Good. Now
Tulad
we're
sa
gonna waste
video.
our skills. We're going to
Oh.
pin 6. Pin
Maganda
6,
yun
running
kesa
to pin
sa...
6. Pin 6 now. Move.
Kasi minsan,
Wake
pag
up,
heat of
wake
battle,
up,
di na
wake
nakikita
up,
yung
and
number
flash
eh.
waving in
Oo.
in two, in
Mahirap
three,
yung
two,
ano lang
one,
sana.
flash waves up. Go release that shit. Good.
Ping na
I
lang
saw
sana.
2 flash waves. What the fuck, bro? We only have 2 flash waves. Running at pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1.
Saan
pin
ka
1
naglaro,
now, Raz, you
Kuro?
will die, Frap, you will
Hey,
die.
see.
1 to 2, like we're improving, right? Come on.
Come on.
Pero
We'll
ano
get
lang ako
3
doon,
next time.
casual lang ako.
Mga
Wala,
kagil
di ako
na dati
maka-
sa, sa NA,
Come on,
nagpunta
we're
dun.
going in on pin 8.
Yung
In
KOS?
3, 2, 1, running
Ah,
to pin 8,
KOS.
running to pin 8, running to pin 8, running to
Nung
pin 8.
nag-up
Good,
na yung
good,
si
good,
server
good. I see
transfer
Morse,
siya
I
sa...
see Morse.
Uy, putik
Very
na
good, very
na ako
good.
mahulog.
That's a good
Push.
point. Do you
Nag-stay
want to do
lang
this
kayo
for
ng
another
tropa
4
mo.
minutes? And
Oh,
then we
sa
can just chill
NA.
out and then we'll have into server, right?
Yeah, I can
Kapag
Ay,
din
sorry.
mag-start
Let's
over.
fucking use this time,
Oo,
bro.
ang gastos din
It's-
nung ulo.
Alright,
Okay.
now we're moving in on pin 1. Moving in on pin 1 and we're chilling on pin 1. We're
Nag-KOS
chilling on
sila.
pin 1.
Tapos
We're
hanggang
chilling on
ngayon
pin
yata
1.
gumawa sila dito KOS na guild data.
What
Tapos
we're doing
nag-merge
is just
sila sa-
positioning.
di ko
lang alam.
It's really not positioning at all.
Sa early
Just
access
basic
sila, di
movement.
ba?
Oh, early
Yeah.
access.
Yeah, it's okay. Big club for now.
Yeah, it's a drill.
Kita
It's just
ko
making
pa si
sure
Sir
everyone
Pon
moves
sa lahat.
together. That's
Yeah.
it.
Just moving around.
Nakasama ko
Alright,
sa...
let's wait
Parang
for
masaya
the-
dun
let's
sa
watch
taas, ah.
Anton.
The stage show with Kuching Party.
As tayo.
So,
Da
from
tayo?
our last
TP tayo?
TP nga ako.
what do you think we
Tara,
can
TP
do
tayo,
to
TP
make
tayo,
TP
TP
nga
tayo.
ako.
Big da tayo sa taas.
Yeah, the battles that
Any
we've been
flash
fighting here
Para
is
masaya.
like, it's all
Ay,
about
mali
the
yung-
first
Saan tayo?
because-
Sa...
Dito,
Oh,
sa
sorry,
pin
sorry. I'll be
10.
more
Taas,
specific
taas,
for the
taas.
server.
Ah, easy.
Oh, for the
Yung-
server.
Uy,
It's the
wait lang dun
boss.
sa
Sorry,
ano.
Let's
Na,
fight.
Hala,
nabitin.
nag-jump!
No.
So,
Tayo yung ano.
Ay, dain. Nag-jump
Tayo
sila.
pala yung backup.
Wait, wait.
Make sure they have stragglers
Wait.
around pin 1. Make sure
Saan
do
kayo,
not forget
guys?
those people.
Ano, padrap na ako.
Oo.
Padrap ako kay Kuro.
Ay.
What the fuck, you wiped them
Yeah.
out, bro. Good shit.
Nice one, guys.
Boonstone. Make sure to
Okay, okay,
cancel
go,
that
go,
guy.
Nice one, nice one.
Good. Now fight at
Okay,
pin
go
1.
pa rin,
Swipe,
go pa rin.
swipe.
A lot of people here at pin 1. A lot of enemies on pin 1.
Target,
Good
target.
cancel. I saw that.
Wala,
Good shit.
wala yung taga-target
Get
nyo
them out. Good
guys.
pull, good pull. I mean,
Dito
pull.
pa, lumilipad oh.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Sino
Wipe
na
them
lang,
out,
kahit
wipe
sino
them
na
out,
lang.
Wipe them out. Wipe them out. They might do a summon
Yan,
storm.
yan.
Be careful.
May
Sige.
minarkahan ako.
And getting to that crucial time.
Fear ako.
Kill all the
Ay,
stragglers.
nag-resist.
3 stragglers. Look at this guy. This guy's a bow. This guy should not
Ito na
look
lang,
like
ito na lang.
this.
Hindi.
Come. Okay, wipe it
Ano
out.
talaga
Wipe
itong
them
mga
out.
evasion?
Good. Last guy.
Gago.
Okay, I think they might be
Balik ako dun.
gearing up for a stone
Tara, balik
push.
tayo, Mati.
I like these guys,
Tama kayo
they
guys,
don't
sama
give
kayo.
up.
Para
Tara,
sabay tayo.
So,
Nahulog
let's
kasi ako eh.
suspect them.
Could I
Sige
say
lang.
something, please?
Yes, please.
So for the inter-server last time, we didn't really prioritize the boss when we could. So for this inter-server that's coming up, we really need to focus on the boss. Like we did last night with our army
Wala,
movements.
natrap
We
ako.
try to wipe them, then we come back and damage the boss.
Balik ako,
So
balik ako.
it's even
Balik
a
ako sa waypoint.
smaller respawn location because it's quite tight in Excavator
Ayos
Riftstone.
yung
So we
Discord
have
ko
to
sa browser
constantly
ko.
damage
May
the
food
boss.
ba na ano, stamina regen?
So,
Meron. Yung bago.
I think let's have a
Ah.
transition party for PvE. So my party, Cap Squad, and I think Senju's party
Hindi gumagana.
was PvEing last night.
we've got
Ah,
4 people
10
right
bits.
now.
Oh,
Ay, hindi pala.
So probably not.
Alright, party 1 and 4 can dedicate.
Yan Mati, yung insect, yung
you
M.
don't need to like constantly
Asan?
hit the boss,
Ayun,
but when
Yan sa baba.
we're fighting and we're holding
Wait,
the
wait,
power,
guys.
we can
Party 1 and ano daw?
to get that
Tang ina, hindi nag-crit.
Party yan.
Because I
Ba't
think-
binuff ko
tayo?
na lang?
Yeah, if
PvE tayo.
Ayoko pa namang mag-PvE.
Last night then,
Sure?
maybe it's not that big of an issue, then we can hold them out. But if we have a stronger enemy,
Sabihin mo nga, Mati. Can
Yeah,
someone
Ken.
else
Yep,
be
yep, yeah.
PvE?
Can...
just save or get
Igna,
skills for
sabihin mo
intermediate, I think.
party 1 wants
But
to
let's not
PvP.
be complacent. Maybe, just maybe, you know.
Paano ba? Basta sabihin na hindi ano.
Any party wants to swap.
This is good.
Ah,
PvE is
Sabihin mo nga ano.
the frost smoke screen. Really? Why?
Anyone wanna PvE? Party 1
Cutie?
doesn't want it.
That's the movement, right? The movement.
41 going PvP.
Oh.
or stuff?
No, sana set.
Uy, wag. Si ano, si Kuro.